Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious burgers for the grill. First, let's talk about the meat. For the best results, select ground beef with an 80/20 lean-to-fat ratio. This ensures your burgers stay incredibly juicy and flavorful. If possible, consider grinding your own meat for an even fresher taste. Remember, handle the meat gently to avoid overworking it, which can lead to tough patties. Aim for tender, succulent burgers every time. Now let's form those perfect patties. Aim for a thickness of about 3/4 of an inch and make them slightly wider than your buns, as they will shrink a bit during cooking. A clever trick is to press a small dimple in the center of each patty. This prevents them from puffing up into a ball on the grill. Finally, season your burgers generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the heat for maximum flavor. It's time to hit the grill. First, preheat your grill to a medium-high temperature, ideally around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a great sear. Place your patties on the hot grates. For a delicious medium-rare burger, cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. The key here is patience. Only flip your burgers once. This technique helps develop that beautiful crust and keeps all those wonderful juices locked inside for a truly satisfying bite. To complete your masterpiece, don't forget the buns. Lightly toast them on the grill for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. This adds a fantastic texture and prevents them from getting soggy. If you're adding cheese, place it on the patties during the last minute of cooking so it melts beautifully. Finally, customize your burger with your favorite fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and a variety of sauces. Enjoy your perfectly grilled burger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.